Hey guys, got a 2018 plate Toyota Yaris here. Just going to show you how to adjust the date and the time on this one. So on this one, you're going to make sure your ignition is switched on. Then from here, you want to use the buttons on the right hand side of the steering wheel and the screen in front of the steering wheel on the dash. I'll just scroll across right until you get to the settings. And then on here you have clock, which you want to press in OK there. And from here you scroll up and down to do the minutes, and then left to do the hours, then left again to change it from 12-hour to 24-hour clock. Then once you're finished, just press the back button and then that will save it.